Welcome, Vadim is here, and today I'll walk you through key things you need to understand. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me share with you how to add a reminder to follow up on sent emails in Microsoft Outlook. I'm sending a quick email to Jason on Project Alpha's follow-up deliverables, and I would like to follow up on this email regardless whether Jason responds. Because I just sent the email, it will be in the sent items. So what I can do now, I can run-click on the sent message, select follow-up, and select add reminder. And since I would like to follow up next week, I'm going to choose next week. You see that the flag was added to the email message. And the coolest part is that the reminder will pop up at the time that you choose. And the coolest thing is that there's a magical keyboard shortcut, Ctrl-Shift-G. It will open up follow-up settings so you can see them directly. All you need to do is select the message and use the shortcut. If you are like me and would like to review your sent items, you can also set up or review the follow-ups from the message window. Just double-click on the sent message, go to Tags, click on the follow-ups, and then you see the reminder that you need to follow up next week. This is useful if you are reading the sent emails and want to set the reminders without going back to the list. Keep in mind that this feature does not notify the recipient unless you explicitly choose Flag for Recipients before sending, which is a completely different feature of Outlook. Outlook basically flags a sent message for you with the optional reminder. You might wonder, is there a way to see all of your reminders and all of your flagged emails? And the answer is absolutely. The easiest way to see them is navigate to the inbox, click on the search folders, add new search folder, and select Mail Flagged for Follow-up. Once you've added this folder, all your flagged emails for follow-up will show up here. Well, guess what? There's even better way. You can see all your flagged emails in Microsoft To Do. Just click To Do on your Outlook taskbar. Microsoft To Do is a cross-device task manager that syncs with Outlook, and your Outlook tasks, as well as any flagged emails, will automatically appear as actionable to-dos in Microsoft To Do. And because the follow-up was scheduled for next week, it will appear in later category.